Hello everyone, your Royce here and welcome to our channel Sansevieria 101. So for this episode, it's going to be included on the special episode of the channel because it's going to be an unboxing, and this is going to be an unboxing of a Sansevieria that I got with the first YouTube payment that we received here in our channel. So this is going to be a surprise unboxing. So the one that sent it actually sent in some freebies, so I have to check what it is. She said it was Finland, but I'm not very familiar of that particular hybrid. So without further ado, we'll be opening the box. So this is a small box actually, and for those who have received the first payment from their YouTube channel, you would know how much this plant would be. So right now we're going to open it, and I'm actually looking for the side where it opens up. You have to be quite familiar of the box that they use, so you have to feel where to rip off so you would know how to safely unbox your Sansevieria from inside the box. Alright, so here we go. Just a few more cuts and we'll be able to open the Sansevieria. I'd have to put the cutter down so I can use both my hands, and it's actually the usual mummified method of wrapping Sansevierias, which is quite okay. And here we go. This is actually the Sansevieria that I got. So this is the surprise, and this is how small the Sansevieria will be at that price of your first YouTube payment. And this is how it would look like. It's very, very cute. Alright, so I'm unwrapping. I'm not really a fan of mummifying Sansevierias because it takes a lot of time to open them, although it's the standard way of doing things, especially here in the Philippines. And we have our first. This is the controversial Sansevieria named BG Regali, and the initial stands for Boyat Ganingan. Regale means gift, and I chose this particular specimen because I see something from it, and I'll keep it as a secret for now, if whatever I'm thinking is correct. I'm seeing signs of what I think is going to happen, but like I mentioned, I'll keep it a secret for now, and I'll update you with regards to the status of this particular Sansevieria that we got for the first YouTube payment that we received. So first off, this is how the routing system of BG Regali looks like. It's the controversial Sansevieria, which is very expensive. The variegated one would cost about the highest I think that I recalled is 10 million Philippine peso, and then now I think it's dropped into about just 5 to 1 million. I think a smaller one was sold at 500,000 Philippine peso. So this is the one that I got from the first YouTube salary that we received from the channel, and this is the freebie that was mentioned. So I'll set the box aside, and this is like I was told, it's Finland, it's a hybrid, and I'm not very familiar with the background or the origin of this hybrid as to who bred it, but we'll unwrap it as well and see how it looks like. For now, I have an influx of my own seedlings, and I have a hard time really looking for space to grow hybrids that I'm not familiar with. But anyway, it's appreciated. The freebie is appreciated. Thank you very much from the seller who sold me the controversial BG Regale. So what we're gonna do is we're going to plant the BG Regale. So I have this. It's the same pot we're in. I planted my fat banana, and my fat banana has grown tremendously in just this small pot, and I had to transfer it when it become larger for the size of the pot. So I'm using the same pot to grow BG Regali, because for those who do not know, or for those who are not familiar with roridas as a species, BG Regali is a cultivated form of the rorida species of Sansevieria. So this was cultivated by arid and aroid special, specifically Boyet's work, or might be his botanist have a hand on mutating. It's a form mutation of rorida, so there might be some help coming from his botanist, but it is named under his initials, so we think that it is his work. So aside from that, I have no other information about it. I can reach out to Boyet regarding how it was done, but it may take some time for me to do so. So for now though, what we're going to do is we're going to plant the BG Regale, and before we plant it, what I'm doing is I'm usually giving some additives to the specimen to make sure that the rooting will take place. So the first one that I used is a rooting hormone by Hormex, and then the other one is a Japanese powdered rooting system, which I just sprinkle on plants that I'm about to plant or repot. So that's where I would put in additives, and then we'll fill out the pot halfway so that we can easily plant it. The potting mix is still the same. I'm using pumice stones, corn sized, and then some of the mixtures would be compost and vermicast that is sold locally. So this is how I'm going to plant it. Actually, I have kind of placed a lot of soil mix. So there you go. This is how I'm going to plant it. and I'm trying to figure out if this is the right position to do it, and then fill out the pot some more and see if it can stand on its own. So there you go. I'm sorry about that. So that's how it would look like. Maybe I can adjust the camera so you can see it. That's how it's going to look like, and add some more of the soil mix before I fill it up. I would add some more additives, and this is actually Starkle G. It's a Thailand systematic fungus pesticide to protect the plant, and some of slow release fertilizers. And just sprinkle them around the soil mix, and maybe I'll put everything since it's already running out. I'll just pour out everything on the pot itself. So there you go. That's usually how I would do my potting for newly acquired Sansevierias, and after which I'll just take some pictures and then make sure that the potting mix is compressed, soil mix is compressed. I might have put in a lot actually, so but we're done with it. So this is how it would look like. That's BG Regale, and it is very expensive at that size. I'm not sure if I can bend the lighting so you can see. Right now it's very small at the price of I think about 100 USD or 200 USD. As soon as it would grow 2 to 3 bigger leaves, the price will double up from maybe from getting it from 100 USD. As soon as it grows 3 leaves, it would jump up to 200 to 300 USD. So that's how expensive the cultivar of rorida, which is named as BG Regali. BG again stands for Boyet Ganingan. He's a very popular breeder of plants here in the Philippines, and this name BG Regali, that means Boyet Ganingan's gift, perhaps to the world or to everyone else. But for now, this is how it would look like, and the lighting is quite dark. Maybe I can move the plant itself, but as for now, that is how it looks like, and I hope I can grow it as fast as I can so we can see how much it will grow larger. So I think this is it for this special episode. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment down below, and perhaps I'll put in some more additives like topping up with stones to make sure that it stabilizes, and then we'll take pictures for the thumbnail, and then we're done. So I guess just a few more information before we end. That is actually back there at the back is my fat banana, and like I mentioned, fat banana is really looking very similar, especially when BG Regali grows. They're very similar in form and shape and growth and reproductive method. That's why we're saying that the Sansevieria bananas are closely related to the rorida species. And we're not sure about the bananas, about where they came from, but what we're sure about is that BG Regali is a cultivar of the rorida species and was cultivated from rorida species by Arizona Aroids, or by Boyett and his crew. So aside from that, I don't have anything to add. If you have any questions or suggestions, just feel free to leave a comment below. So folks, thank you for watching, and you have a great day.